So if you have a new version of an image that you want to upload to Sitefinity, but you don't want to have two separate image files in Sitefinity, then you can just replace the existing file with a new file. So the easiest way to do this is by going to Content in your top menu option and select Images. So first find the image that you want to replace, click on it to open the image properties. And first let's look at the metadata and the image URL. So all of these properties are going to remain the same for your new image file. Now to replace the image, go to the image settings, and you'll see you can crop, resize, or rotate your image. What you'll do is you'll click on Replace File, which will open an image selection window. So you can replace this image with an already uploaded image, but in our case, we haven't uploaded it yet, so we'll go and do that. So here's our new image, and now you'll see that the new image has been added, and it replaced the old one. Now, if we scroll down to the other image properties, you're going to notice that all of this stayed the same, which is great because this image URL is what your pages reference. So now instead of having to go back and update the image URL on every page, this image will be automatically updated once it's published. So I will publish this so we can see it. So now that it's published, I'll go to the blog post that's referencing it. And you can see that this blog post automatically updated to the new image. And that's it. If you have any questions about Sitefinity, then please reach out to our team.